Baby, I'm got not disrespect Shatta Wale no. Enough is enough. Saliman, make a chow. Enough is enough. You betcha what boo. Ye yen police. And a yen jail. And a yen two. And a yen woo. Me ma Shatta Wale di. Obi anywhere your classmates. Even Shatta Michi Munina, Obi anywhere your classmates. Even the only was is Sia Crano on your classmates. Shatta Wale ima we di omono. Ebi anywhere your fawo Saliman Ediman as house help Kobeji woni fie da because we don't yakono. Why say bema, say man, say woman. Take Shatta Wale name out of your mouth. And yes, sir, if you do anyhow with Shatta Wale, you go see anyhow on the street, me do nyame. Some will say more about them.
Saliman, mame, na wako die. Yao, me ton can't chill bapa. Zabi biaboko. Mame nanse me te se baby aye adwuma. Allegedly, o ma je adwuma na fun se mo so ma pamo se ma suspend o. Frankly speaking, me te me ya. And me katre me namfo bi se Sally, me ya o. Ye, ya o. Sally ya. But unim me coming go to join me me carry me bomb pie. Unim me pewasem pa. Yeah, me pewasem. Said o si ya won your man me fese as obi only talent na ase oh gina obi konso there bia to stay relevant. Yeah, also energy now the adwuma a very smart energy. Yeah. A very smart energy. Just say obi o talented bia o gina kire bia hu say on say ade no ase en shede new mojem but o de near den by force o de penetrate, which is very good. Yeah be any den. Enu ti no me kai won pai bom da bia me bom pai se Nyankopon enka station akoma no mun sanfre o back. But the akosu bia no Adom TV4 yesremo ye nua ba Sally ye nyina ye kwen kotodwanu ye pa chewa ma no sabi sane ye yate on from am no say ye no kra ni diem mon consider no na mon sanfa ne mra back enye sa mo anwo hwe yao Sally, for your information, me no ka say Ayisha mo di say yamfa to anim say efri na ekoy on person be ba abonte be ka Shatta Wale asem bi. Sally is the ntokwa de on share mfa bi mo because e be shifted from only Wale. Na ntokwa no shifted from only Wale a we be stay relevant. Yao. Ya. On se mpempi no eya na nyame se uhu wasem kan on ka bi ma. Se uhu wasem kan nyame enka bi ma. And I think say Nyankopon etie Shatta Wale sufre. And wa drop it Ayisha modi. Ayisha say we a woman to woman no. Ayisha say oba be gina konso sa ma home yate. Wan hwe antimi mpia bonten kra biem Sally. Enu nti no now no entokwa no enye wo against Shatta Wale biem. Eno de olasa na de da ho no. Now eye wo ene Ayisha modi. If you know current video e kra na wo ye wa bonten asabi aso kania kakra to so no Ayisha modi abeje light no. O say on qualify mpo say on Shatta Wale ekro. Eno nti now we your bar to oba. O say woni edian fantokwa ne bra. Ana so wan fantokwa na mampo no ote se o ka Shatta Wale asema. Uhu sa akoko kwa o say alolo. Medafo se o America na o send in your mark Ghana o ship on your bia Ghana na ye odadwene a ka wakoma to yem sreka krama menhwe ani aba ani gisema me de nam ene say company fufuro bia ba ye from Box Oak Logistics o se bi bia o person the free America eko Ghana bia no o dia ne se o be free o mo telephone number no ani gisema ko esa account ne say o free o ma catch them say nam TheBonahShow so ena uti omudin emprempren na 10% discount eyo dia sanso na wa kwantum okọ Ghana na oduru Ghana be kukumaso duru kumaso be pebe bia da amoasoma dwo etima ye waduane enya 100% security CCTV cameras a eye company ba kope free Pcash Properties ana call www.pcashproperties.com omo be ma baby adam wasoma dwo one share baby Pikash for the be mo ada no every month bia no obetu kwan akọ Ghana udru Ghana so abeku Kumase ana open money transfer omo exchange rate e was soro pa because now no dollar ni de ye o Ghana no so one pay money transfer company papa sika medru Ghana no na ye kete ma men kamfo lemfi emaw omo exchange rate no e was soro sin obia download the lemfi egu mobile phone so wahye bibia wie na o your first transaction no say wo Europe a wo ye 50 euros a or 20 euros cashback o America and Canada o send $100 a or $20 cashback and I say o UK so a wo ye 50 pounds a or £10 cashback na mom ansa na obenya wo cashback no e wo so use Bonah as referral code Bonah BONAH.
Shatta Wale na no kese no nkotena
Saliman abekika na adwen e de ache Shatta Wale BM over the incident with underground artist Chairman K, which happened a few weeks ago.
Saliman, unim di enti a Shatta Wale onfi o. Shatta Wale enfin bodam forte se o. And Shatta Wale enfin o because say Shatta Wale one ma enko. The Shatta movement in the crack in mema na ewo obi to say Shatta Kumoji. Obi to say Latif Large. Obi to say Wale Ba Medical. Obi to say super scary. Omo ma. Enu ntikana na me ma ho kwan ema bi mu bedi Shatta Wale atem no because na omu bedi Shatta Wale atem a se omu bufu no omu be frɛ omu be ye action a na me ma so mumu mu suban boni we nti na me pese me ka Shatta Wale ho no because me be ka Shatta Wale ho a hwɛ enye papa wo Ghana enye papa baby amukotena disrespect Shatta Wale no enough is enough. Saliman, me catch you. Enough is enough. What say? Okay, maybe but we no munsem.
Listen now, no, dear Shatta Wale di ayemi. Shatta Wale na no kese no nkotena platforms for so. Embo mi din fan ka asem bia.
Wo be ka Shatta Wale asem ansa na Shatta Wale eba be yiwa no. Wo be di Shatta Wale atem mekra Ayisha. Me na do kale me be kan Shatta Wale sa me minim no kre me na me so Shatta Wale ma me nsa e de koma aba sariki giwa minim dia Shatta Wale aye amane ma me minim no kre wo mu ma me no kwa me ni sister Shatta Wale first baby mama Chelsea ma me na ye ne ma me ye kwa ma me no ntimi ni ma me no ba me be gina ho ne Shatta Wale konye e ke kan sam de ni mu nyina me ka kire no one ma nko Wati na say SM fans in ma zongo for mano ye betche wabo ye nsuro police ana ye nsuro jail ana ye nsuro tuo ana ye nsuro wuo ye moja ni ye tigali ba bibie bi etumi nom kwe yere wo nyo bia ese Shatta Wale e reply
Why is it wrong to be going to a problem?
But Shatta Wale di a problem because on your classmates, on your age mates, wa Bob Rasen, wa Bob Rasen, wo mame, wa Bob Rasen, wo papa, wa Bob Rasen, wo generation, into who boni den all the respect. Shatta Wale, ne last a fear crow or Ghana crampo, baby, or woofy no can assess secret da okra, wound to minto, into move boni dia wa bre, and yes, Shatta Wale can and Ghana music industry, now as Ghana music industry, and Nuntia, and so boni the other respect count.
Okay. Shatta Wale name call it sabi, meeting on the vagina, and I'm a private car that or no so I got all that. I call for Babia for Dinda. What you call me sort what he
Mammy Casa, win your bash at Shatta Wale fa. And yes, I may be blow. I say, Junior Fachami. Say me count say me ma Shatta Wale di obi any your classmates even Shatta Michi mu nyina obi any your classmates even the onene wo si akra no on your classmates Shatta Wale e ma we di omo no ebi any your fa wo Saliman, the man as house help ko beje woni fie da because wo nya akono. Wa say man, say man, say woman. Take Shatta Wale name out of your mouth. And yes, sir, if you do anyhow with Shatta Wale, you go see anyhow on the street, me do nyame. Some will say more about them.
Don't you been seen my nakedness before? And we are for 40. And I made the mention of a clear rubber. Intimate. No or be as important as Niyama.
One hour back, Shatta Wale and Sarah Shatta Wale Babe count. Ghana how be any. Say one hour didn't bet see her. 18 attempting, certain maybe now one day. Or about say Ayisha, hey, when him say toilet. Ayisha Modi, hey, when him to say, oh, no whom me dinner money confused. Oh, no whom kai be a qua a ye tank. So also when him to say tank. Ayisha, when him to say me cotti. Ain't respect yourself. Who didn't tell me what to do at them?
Okay, let's say a whole lot of
and I won't say, I Ghanaian so hypocritical. You are a hypocrite.
One are we a hypocrite? Who I want to know muda? Who for Sikan Ghana music industry muda? Who ye be biada? Meaning qualification ukita yama to me. Sa FM station, radio station. It is time a year as a for 4 man. Ya him out for never fast for 4 man. Near boom, Shatta Wale Yenkreni. Move to me Trankras as so and disrespect no. You better be
hypocritical.
Okay, let's a problem.
I only did 3 songs. This is me and the Dusty.
As simple.
Some of the industry people. He actually.
One day, Yamia say, "Cry say, why 3 songs? Eddie, do about phone or bike finke fin." Be attempt to say, that when Yamia say, "Na yamwa ye ko investi ye sika kra, I want you to 4 bi mukrano, or mukoma mbonyum one day crampo, and can say, Ayisha Modi, only a fair flampo. Onya is saw me aboye. Hey, ye and cry for. I no go area. I no go area. Me catch them. Hey, Brooklyn, tell them something.
Yo,
tell them who you are.
It's Brooklyn YOLO, in case you don't know. So I'm gonna keep it brief and short. Keep Shatta Wale name out your mouth. Saliman, you feel me? This the last time. Shatta Wale, we got you. Brooklyn represent you. You the next Ghana king. They hating on you. You the crown. You the future. Don't let nobody stop you. Fuck King Saliman, you feel me?
Where is it?
Shatta Wale, just keep doing your thing. They always gonna hate, you feel me? We represent you out here in Brooklyn, all the way to Ghana. You the king, you feel me? Nobody can stop that. You the future. They gonna wanna hate.
Saliman, obey himself, obey Shatta Wale.
And I'm the top 5 artist in Brooklyn. So we got you.
Shatta Wale, wabo brasen. Ne back to a crab or brasen. Fire warrior. Who your baby are? Who do who crowd? Shatta Wale crowd pet into fire warrior. Now also worry. So was a your bar, what that Shatta Wale one. Or bed, we a cacadiama, hey, yada no war, yada no low flow, crash Shatta Wale, and your classmates on what it. Why Yoko cave. Was so sorry, I can't tell you. Ghana, got the shame of Jane. Ghana, but you know about Shini. What about Tonya Zongo Beckaby, you? Can you buy just Shatta Wale? What about Shini? What about Shini? Shatta Kumo you. Super scary, you. Waleba Medical, you. Large Latif, you. What about for me, a team? My former support team. Money bad try Shatta. She knew about Shinye. Like a radio station, Sani, or Monjanian radio station, say Bomoe. What about on the Nafia? What about on your Tafia, Bully, or don't boy? Brooklyn, motherfuckers.
Shout out to Shatta Wale. You already know Shatta Wale, king of Ghana, #1 in Ghana, and #1 in Ghana. #1, when you come to Brooklyn, it's all love. New York City, we got you. We in Brooklyn, we in the streets.
Hey.
Saliman.
Fuck Saliman.
Fuck Saliman. Shatta Wale, you up next. You up now. You feel me? You the future. You the king of Ghana. Remember that. New York City got you. Come out here with the goods. got 100 shoulders with us. Bless up.
Chill out. Into Saliman. Obana obo Shatta Wale dia umbo bra. Ka papa be na uchi. Ka papa be na uchi. Obana obo Shatta Wale dia. Now with the respect atu Shatta Wale din. What the heck achira wono? Enye sa SM full soldier say mano. Ye be bo. Me ka achira wo. Ye free ni ma downside. Oba nkremu so a ye free suotuom. Ye free adedenkpo. Hey, ye free Kolegono. Ye free Jamestown. Ye free Techi. Ye free Ablekuma. Ye free Fetegomwa. De o kaswa. Kinakashe mu nyina backup sa Shatta Wale kitano.
Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyankopon shraw na until enim chraw. Ayisha.